Hey creators, welcome back to BlipCut channel. Today let's talk about video translation tools. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or business owner, translating your videos can help you reach a global audience. Of course, there are a lot of great video translator out there. But the right fit is the best. So, let's explore how these tools work and which ones are best for your needs. Let's talk about CapCut first. This tool is a game changer for creators. CapCut is an all-in-one creative platform powered by AI that enables video editing on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. CapCut has many features that this single video can't cover everything. In this video, we'll focus on the video translation feature. Previously, we discussed adding subtitles to videos and other related topics. If you're interested, feel free to check out those videos as well. After downloading CapCut, open the software and you will see this interface. For a basic introduction, you can check out this video. Drag the uploaded video to the track. Click Audio in the right menu bar. Slide down to select the video translator. Select the original language of the video, and then select the target language you need to translate. Click Apply and you're done. The next tool I will be introducing is an online platform called BlipCut, so there's no need to download any software. It offers AI-powered editing, subtitle addition, and more. I've also included the link below, so feel free to click and explore it with me. Click this green Try Free Online button first. Then click this box to upload video. You can also paste your video link. To select the target language, click the bar in the upper right corner. There are over 130 languages, and you can even select different accents. A pop-up box will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred voice or use AI to clone the voice from the video. Next, use the arrow to adjust other settings. Once everything is set, click the Translate button and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. Let's move on to the last tool we want to show you today. This is actually a video editing program as well, called HitPaw Editor. It lets you transcribe, translate, and edit your videos all in one place. I have also put the download link below. After opening Editor, drag the uploaded video to the track and click on Subtitles. Once the subtitles are generated, go to the right menu bar and select Text-to-Speech. Choose the target language for translation. Select a voice, and then start the conversion process. These are the three tools we want to show you today, each with its own unique advantages. CapCut and HitPaw Editor offer more comprehensive features, while BlipCut is an online tool that doesn't require downloading and is incredibly user-friendly. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, bookmark it, and choose the tool that best suits your needs. Catch you in the next one.